Fishing boat, a deck fishing boat with folding T-top. Great boat for fishing. Turnkey boat. Always serviced properly. Comes with a trailer. You got 2 coolers. Got the folding T-top. Open deck. It's got a Mercury engine, 115. Just a great fun boat for a whole family or to go fishing. Call me with serious offers, 954-937-8271. It's been recently painted with custom paint. Boat is in super clean condition with no dents, there's no scratches. It's a very clean boat. Call me right now to buy this boat, 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. 89 hole deck boat. Call me right now to buy this boat. My name is Alex. We can assist you with shipping. 954-937-8271. Thank you for looking. Has a live well as well. Right in there is a live well.